You are watching News 8.
CPA Chris Campbell is back with us. Chris, good morning. Thanks for a few minutes.
Good morning.
Let's talk about taxation when it comes to unemployment benefits. Some 30 million Americans facing unemployment as the pandemic continues. What do they need to know?
Right. Well, the most important thing to know is that unemployment compensation is taxable income. So it will be subject to federal income tax. If you're in a state that has state income tax like New York, it will also be subject to that. It's not subject to any Social Security or Medicare taxes like your wages are. But the main point is that unemployment compensation is taxable income.
And is it taxable at your normal rate?
Yes, it's taxable at your marginal rate. So you would add all of your other income, determine what bracket you fall into. And so some people, it could be taxed at a lower bracket. Some people, depending on maybe other earnings or spousal earnings, could be taxed at a higher bracket.
What about that extra relief that people have been getting during the pandemic as it relates to unemployment? Is that taxable as well?
Yes, it is. Right. You're referring to the extra $600 that was part of the CARES Act. It was a federal supplement to the state unemployment insurance, and that will also be subject to federal and state income taxes.
All right, if people find themselves in this situation, they've been receiving unemployment and perhaps they're hearing this for the first time, how do people pay?
Yeah, so there's a couple options. The first option would be when you sign up for unemployment, you can elect to have withholding come out of your payments. If, however, you did not do that, you could send quarterly estimated tax payments to both the federal government and the state government. If you are not doing either of those, I would suggest you plan, do a tax projection for yourself, look at how much you're going to owe as a result of the unemployment compensation, and save that money, because in 2021, in March or April, when you file, that's when you're going to owe the income taxes for the 2020 unemployment.
Really important conversation this morning, and the key takeaway again, those unemployment benefits are taxable. Chris, thanks for the time. We appreciate it.